A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, South Korea's impeached President Yoon Suk Yeol has been released from prison just a day after a Seoul court canceled his arrest warrant. This release allows Yoon to stand trial for rebellion without the constraints of physical detention. The release was marked by a wave of support from his supporters, who gathered in large numbers outside the prison, chanting his name and waving both South Korean and U.S. flags. Yoon, visibly emotional, waved to the crowd and expressed gratitude towards his supporters, stating that he appreciates the Seoul Central District Court's decision to address the legality of his arrest. Yoon's legal troubles stem from his controversial martial law decree issued on December 3rd, which has been at the center of a political storm in South Korea. The decree, which involved the deployment of military forces to the National Assembly, led to widespread public outcry and accusations of rebellion against the state. Following his arrest in January, Yoon faced impeachment by the opposition-controlled National Assembly, which further complicated his political standing. As the Constitutional Court deliberates on whether to uphold or overturn his impeachment, Yoon's supporters and opponents are deeply divided. The court's decision could lead to a national election if Yoon's impeachment is upheld, adding to the already tense political climate. Yoon's legal team has argued that his arrest and the investigation into his actions lacked proper legal authority, a point that the Seoul Central District Court seemed to acknowledge in its decision to release him. However, the opposition Democratic Party has criticized the prosecutors for their handling of the case, labeling them as henchmen of Yoon. The political landscape in South Korea is increasingly polarized, with significant public demonstrations both for and against Yoon's presidency. Recent polls indicate that a majority of the population is in favor of his removal from office, reflecting the deep-seated divisions within the country. Legal experts suggest that the court's ruling raises questions about the integrity of the indictment process and the potential for future legal challenges. As Yoon prepares for his trial, the nation watches closely, aware that the outcome could have lasting implications for South Korea's political future. The stakes are high, with Yoon facing severe penalties should he be convicted of rebellion, including the possibility of life imprisonment or even the death penalty. As the situation unfolds, it is clear that South Korea is at a crossroads, with the potential for significant political upheaval on the horizon. With rallies and protests expected to continue, the coming days will be crucial in determining the future of Yoon's presidency and the stability of the nation as a whole. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.